arrival at the community, residents welcomed and accommodated the Sosit Mapua team. They were the ones who helped unload solar lamps from a mobile vehicle and carried to Barangay Aguid, Barangay Hall. Upon arrival at Aguid Barangay Hall, orientation was administered by Sosit Mapua team regarding assembly, installation, and maintenance of the solar lamps.
3 years or something. Kasi yan na yung solar lamp. Abot ng 2 to 3 years yung ano yun.
The residents used their welding and drilling skills to assemble and install the lamp post. Lamp posts were installed along the village where it is needed the most.
Kapakabit mo niya natin.
Tagging was done by Sosit Mapua team with the help of the residents, starting from the barangay hall, ending at the highest residential area of the village to have the full inventory of the installed solar lamps. Global positioning systems or GPS, community location and lamppost coding or numbering was done, which will be reflected on the catalog of information of the 72 installed lampposts. Ceremonial lighting of the solar lamps was done on one of the community tribal center called Dapayan, followed by the lighting of the path fronting Barangay Hall.
Thank you po. Merry Christmas.
Shown are pathways where solar lamps were installed, like this one, as the pathway curve along a ravine is now safe to traverse during nighttime.
Pathways ng Aguid pag walang ilaw. At ito naman po siya ngayon pag dahil may na-install na po tayong solar lamps.
Pathway intersections were lit up.
Yaman mo yun nga taga-agitin mo yan ti solar lamp me. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Main road leading to Barangay Aguid Gymnasium was lit up, also fronting the elementary school. And lastly, lamppost was also installed at the entrance to Barangay Aguid.
Barangay Aguid, tinapalpalabas na naktamo. Ito yung agad nasip nga ti daldala. Lalo ti patris, ado ti igal kalis na tatawa nga pagpag na katata dakol ti yaman mi ti mayan ti solar light kat linmawag ilimi at dakol unay ti salamat mi kani buyo nang imandal nga sumaya ti barangay nga Aguid. Thank you very much, buyo. Merry Christmas!
A new Barangay Aguid as seen from a distance during nighttime. Residents also shared their message regarding solar lighting of the village.
Walang ilaw, our light is torch. We are very thankful. You remember that our place.
Maraming salamat. Sana mayroon pang ibang lugar na magbibigyan mo ng ganito kasi malaking tulong sa mga tao at ngayong Pasko, Merry Christmas sa ating lahat.
Dati wala kaming solar light dito sa pagdaan. Una, kung lumalakad kami ng gabi, dadalan namin yung ilaw namin. Ngayon na meron na yung solar light, pwede nang walang ilaw para walang madudulas sa pagdadaan.
Ngayon na nga, maliwanag ang paligid paggabi. Kita mo ang mga dumaraan.
Salamat kung nag-donate ng solar lamp. Sana'y patnubayan tayong lahat ng may kapal.
Thank you very much kay sir kasi sa magandang biyaya na natanggap namin. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Kagawad Joseph Patilao, Kagawad po ng Barangay Aguid, Sagada. Kami po lubos na nagpapasalamat sa nagfinance dito po sa solar lighting ng buong barangay namin, lalo na kay Sir Boyo Yotingko, sa mga staff ng Mapua lighting ng buong barangay namin, Mayor na nagtumulong sa amin na makamit itong napaka-importanting. Akala namin noon na di namin mararanasan yung ganitong mapailawan yung buong community. Lubos kaming nagpapasalamat kasi ngayon natupad na-addressan na yung lalo na sa safety na, public safety, lalo na pag gabi. Dahil po sa Deadpool dito sa solar lamp, maayos na po. Kahit na gabi, maliwanag, pwede kang papasyal sa amin. Katunayan na nga, nakikita mo pag may nangangapit bahay. Ayan po, talagang sobrang salamat po sa effort natin, lalo din po sa mga kababayan natin tumulong.
A wrap-up meeting concluded the 3-day activity. Sosik Mapua team reminded the community about the orientation given. The community expressed their heartfelt gratitude and offer prayer to the safe travel of Sosik Mapua team back to Manila.
Si Kuranda, kapag nantak ni kami tulong ng trabaho, sudah itilaglag ko ini ng barangay natin. Awan ko na pinapasama dapat diyan natin tumundok na, tumanong na yung pamilya. I-dami niya kami Kristo Jesus. Amen. Amen. Salamat, agyaman.
To graciously thank Boyuchenko, our ever generous philanthropist and help in times of need, especially for the Sagada community in general, and this time for the community of Aguid in particular. What better gift can you give at Christmas time if not the lights that would light the darkness that has been brought to us by this pandemic. So we would like to also thank the team that you sent from Mapua under the leadership of Professor Joyrins Agas and his companion for giving the community the proper guidance and supervision in the installation of all these lights. You know, that would be Aguid is one of the most isolated areas of Sagada, and it rightfully deserves to be lighted, especially that it has a wide ancestral domain which includes the forest beyond, and it is where our Sagada coffee, the biggest source of Sagada coffee is coming from. I hope that the community of Aguid would also do their part in taking care and maintaining this gift of love from you. This is, I remember that you have been giving Sagada all the that you can master, the school, the scholarship, the lights, and you have been liaising for our Sagada Peace Zone, and we thank you. No words can express our gratitude for all the this help that you have been giving us. May you live for a long, long time so that you can help more of other